We'll guide you through how to fix System UI isn't responding on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is an annoying problem. Perhaps you want and press wait, and you're shortly going to find that it just goes and appears again. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix it. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss the method that goes and solves it for you. As you can see, it's popping up again already. So what we're going to do here is go and press wait again, swipe up, and we'll go and press settings. In settings, scroll down, find apps. Now what you need to do is just go to the right of your apps and press those lines. Make sure show system apps switched on and press OK. Press search in the top right, type in system UI. As you can see, there it is. Go and tap on it. Scroll down to storage in usage, and you can try clearing the cache. Then in the bottom right, so go and tap it as I've done there and come back. Then you can press search and you want to go and type in play services. This one here, go and tap on it. Scroll down to storage and tap there and press clear cache in the bottom right, and we'll press it like so. After you've done that, we can come out of it and you're going to go and tap and hold the volume down and the power button together like so. So just keep them held down. You'll go and see this screen here, but just keep them held down. And you can then go and let go of the volume down button and just keep the power button held down. And then you can release when you go and see it starts booting. And it now should go and successfully start again. And hopefully now the problem is going to go and be fixed and it's no longer going to go and be appearing. So we'll just go and wait for it to go and boot on. That's it. Hopefully now the problem's resolved and it's no longer going to go and be appearing. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.